This video will demonstrate how to update the firmware of an iCCU over Wi-Fi with an iOS device. The same process is used to update iCCU-S and iCCU-C models. First, open the iOS app and check for firmware updates. You must have internet access in order to view and download firmware updates. Tap the ellipses in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and select Firmware Files. Tap the ellipses in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and then tap Check for Updates. The iOS app will then display the most current released firmware and will either say Download or Downloaded. If it says Download in blue, tap the word Download to save it to your device. If it says Downloaded in gray, the firmware is already stored on your device. Exit from the File Update menu by tapping the back arrow in the upper left-hand side of the screen and then tap Cancel. Enable the iCCU Wi-Fi by pressing the Select button on the front panel of the iCCU. The LCD panel should say Wi-Fi enabled and display the SSID, which is also known as the network name. Next, we will need to enable the Wi-Fi of the iOS device. Open the main menu of your iOS device and tap Settings. Select Wi-Fi and tap the SSID that matches the SSID on the iCCU display. Enter the password and tap Join. The Wi-Fi password is default 1, all uppercase with no space. A blue check mark will appear next to the SSID once the Wi-Fi connection is complete. Connect to the iCCU with the iOS app. Open the iOS app and tap iCCU Network Connection. Enter the iCCU password and tap Connect. An alert will appear if the iCCU does not have the most current firmware. Tap OK to clear the alert. Select Firmware Update. Now tap Update Firmware. Select the desired firmware and then tap Select File. Tap Yes to launch the update. The display will now show the update progress and time remaining to complete the update. The update will take approximately 2.5 minutes to complete. Upon completion of the firmware update, a dialog box will appear that either indicates success or failure. Tap OK to clear the dialog box. Upon completion of a successful firmware update, the iCCU will automatically reboot and the Wi-Fi connection will be disabled. That concludes this demo video.